That's right. It's the god Pan, everyone!
Hello! I am the god Pan. I am the Greek god of feasting. I am the Greek god of the parties. And I am, of course, the Greek god of French bread. Pan. Hit it! And stop it! Great times we have, Great times. Much like the god Pan, which is me. I've got a frenzy, I've got a anarchy, I have not prepared anything. So much so that this is the first time I've heard myself speaking. It is very good. And I haven't even read the Wikipedia article for the god Pan. So this could be a long... Let's hit it! Stop it! You, sir! You! This isn't offensive, is it? Just want to make sure this is actually a Theopathetus impression, not a racist thing, Good, good. Who is your favorite celebrity? Who is your second favorite celebrity? Or minimum top 5? Kim Kardashian. Wonderful. And who is your favorite mother?
Teresa.
Hit it! Stop it! I forgot to mention this is a magical pan flute. So those two are now in love. Kim Kardashian and the ghost of Mother Teresa. So, yes, you might have met other deities in the past, Like, your Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ, he had one thing he could do. One thing. And he could turn water into wine. Water into wine. And did anyone film it? Yeah. No. No one film it. Not that right. We have a camera. Say hello, camera. Hello. And I have already drunk the water. So if you will excuse me, I just need to. 2 seconds. Hate the music! No, another one! Ladies and gentlemen, it is wine, let's drink, please. No, she's had enough, she has had enough. It is like an orgy, Yo, we're done. I am so underprepared, I haven't listened 30 seconds into that song before. I had no idea I was on it. I see. So now, I need a friend. Is anyone friend? Where am I? I am in Edinburgh. It's in Greek writing. Do I have any pagan friends in the audience? No, I don't. But I do have a friend over here. Anyone like magic? You like the magic. Come on stage. What is your name? Elisa! Hey! So please, if we could have the music, and a bit of this. And if you want to just reach into my bum, just pull. Let's see what happens, huh? Keep going. Keep going. Let's go. Keep going. Oh, there's a blockage. Oh, let me see if I can help you down there. Oh, let's go. In there you go. Keep going. Get ready. Boy, feisty one. We are making a small mess, I apologize. Or do I? Or I am got a frenzy. Keep going! And then to the music! And you have won some wine. Congratulations! You will not have to drink wine. Congratulations! So, do we know the comedian Dave Allen? This is the point where you ask me questions.
What's written on the bread there?
Have a look! And I was drunk when I was baking the bread with my buttocks! Have a look, please.
CGI turd? No, SGI turd.
I believe it says Sergeant Turd.
Oh, Sergeant.
Please treat him with his respect.
Smells really nice.
Well, he shouldn't do. It's been in there for at least half an hour.
Poo bum?
Poo bum? Yes, indeed. Do you want some?
That one.
Do you want some?
What?
Do you want some?
Some bread?
Yes.
Not really.
Correct answer. I found the bread in a bin.
Cheers.
I did not write that. Well, good question. He's setting up nearer the stage to have a good look at the bread.
That one says, I think it says jolly something, but I'm not sure.
I think it's the term jolly on, which is now a slur. It's a political thing for very left-wing Labour likers. People called jolly on have terrible opinions, huh? So this is the end of the Dave Allen section. And when I go a little bit Welsh, as I said, top half, bottom half Juliet. That's what I've gone for. Very strange, isn't it? Very strange. Does anyone want my piss? No? Does anyone have any questions about their love lives? Anyone want their love lives ripped from their buttocks? Not by me, by someone they love, maybe. I couldn't fix it. At this point, I was supposed to give someone some lemsip as a little bit of a party thing, but I'm sure that would have gone down a storm. What is it? What day is it? Nearly got Christmas, huh? Christmas? When Christ was born. 120 days later. Who disturbs me in this hour? Who disturbs? Sorry. Who just... Who disturbs me? In me down. As I said, I hadn't prepared anything, so I think that might be me. To your health and a very Merry Christmas. Let's sing. Little donkey, little donkey, little donkey boy, you can run a little cafe for your donkey all day. Little donkey, little donkey, you are a big man.
I know.
Oh, you could eat me. You look like an actual god. Like Atlas, huh? You all look like gods, just he's more specifically very godlike, huh? Oh, Welsh again, what is going on? Huh? How long have I done? This boy, I knew him since he was a little donkey embryo. I gave him his powers to bake as the god of French bread, huh?
Yeah, I remember that, man.
It was great, wasn't it? We went.
Let's go back this way.
We went cycling down the Pyrenees.
This choreography the director worked out is really interesting.
I tell you,
I really like
it's really fucking hard to walk with 6 baguettes down your trousers.
Walk down there.
I might do.
Oh.
Do you want to have a look?
Yeah, let's see what we can do. Okay, where the...
Oh yes, there's one. Have a feel.
Oh dear. Okay. Oh. Oh, Pan. What happened over this head? Oh, Pan!
I can't help myself. I'm cheeky.
Well, Pan, you know, you always make a great contribution to the night.
Yes, I do make a good contribution to the night.
Yeah.
Do you remember when I made that spoon magic?
Oh, I remember, yeah, this spoon.
See ya.
Oh!